morning. From international cultural diplomacy to future-ready travel frontiers, this is your Global Tourism Roundup. I'm Anika. Tonight, we look at 5 major developments reshaping the travel landscape across South Asia. News highlights of the day. HTM 2026 opens in Nepal, focuses on new frontiers of tourism. Mongolia set to boost global visibility of Madhya Pradesh's Buddhist tourism. Ladakh forms Tourism Development Society to promote sustainable growth. India to host second BRICS Culture Working Group meeting in Varanasi. Satish Sehrawat re-elected ITTA President. Industry votes for stability and continuity. Now, news in detail. We begin in Mongolia. An Indian Air Force plane recently touched down, carrying a truly priceless cargo. Not weapons, not gold, but faith. The sacred remains of Lord Buddha's closest disciples, Arahant Sariputra and Arahant Mahamaud Galyayana, have been flown out of the country. The sacred relics of Lord Buddha's chief disciples have travelled from their permanent home at the UNESCO-listed Sanchi Stupa in Madhya Pradesh to Ulaanbaatar's historic Gandan Monastery. Escorted by a high-level Indian delegation, the relics will remain on public display for veneration until June 9th. Madhya Pradesh is executing a brilliant strategy. It is directly talking to millions of Buddhist devotees across East and Southeast Asia. Heritage experts say this powerful act of cultural diplomacy is set to massively boost international pilgrimage and heritage travel back to Madhya Pradesh. Next to Kathmandu, where the 6th edition of the Himalayan Travel Mart has officially commenced. Bringing together over 600 delegates from 27 nations, the event is positioning Nepal at the forefront of emerging B2B tourism trends. 2 major takeaways have emerged from the opening. First, a new tourism crisis management handbook, launched in collaboration with the Swiss Embassy to build long-term sector resilience. Second, Parliament has officially declared 2027 as Nepal's Wellness Tourism Year, a strategic move to aggressively promote the country's natural, spiritual, and experiential travel assets to the world. Moving to domestic governance, Ladakh is shifting toward structured, sustainable growth. The newly constituted Ladakh Tourism Development Society, or LTDS, has been approved as an autonomous framework to coordinate destination management. As the Union Territory witnesses record footfalls for adventure and high-altitude ecotourism, this new body will serve as a vital bridge between policymakers, industry operators, and local communities. Officials state the ultimate goal is to aggressively balance rapid economic and infrastructure growth with crucial environmental conservation, ensuring long-term community benefits. Meanwhile, India is gearing up to host the second BRICS Culture Working Group meeting in the ancient city of Varanasi on June 4th and 5th. Under the 2026 chairship theme of resilience and innovation, member nations will deliberate on critical, future-facing global challenges. Key areas of focus include the profound impact of artificial intelligence on creative industries, copyright frameworks, and climate-linked cultural policies. Choosing Varanasi, India's spiritual and cultural capital, provides a deeply symbolic backdrop for these high-stakes discussions on heritage protection and the global creative economy. And finally, a strong vote for stability in India's transport sector. Satish Sehrawat of 10 Travels has been re-elected President of the Indian Tourist Transporters Association for 2026. The elections, held at the Ethiopian Cultural Center in New Delhi, saw key office bearers elected unopposed, demonstrating deep industry confidence. As India's tourism sector experiences robust post-pandemic growth, the transport community views this continuity as vital. The newly formed managing committee is tasked with navigating operational challenges and strengthening engagement across the broader hospitality infrastructure. That brings us to the end of this bulletin. For continuous coverage and deeper industry insights, stay tuned to our network. I'm Anika. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.
You are watching Travel World Online.